Few sources respect the mid-1950s Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing as the principal supercar. When it was presented in 1954, it was positively not at all like whatever else, and the 212 drive coordinate infusion straight 6 made it the speediest generation auto of its day. With a rich motorsport history, the as yet astounding Gullwing entryways, the 300 SL holds an uncommon place among exemplary Mercedes-Benz roadsters. 1 month from now, RM Auctions is putting forth a splendid red 300 SL at its Fort Lauderdale sell-off. The fifth from last Gullwing at any point created has had just 3 proprietors. It last changed possession in 1967, and it was set up for show at the ACD Automobile Museum approximately 40 years prior. While there's absolutely some patina, the auto is for the most part unrested and holds a lot of its unique paint, and no miles have been added to its 36,375-mile odometer perusing after 1968. The dashboard still has the production line revised Becker radio, as well. Another essential thing is that all returns from the deal will go to the YMCA of Jackson, Michigan, subsidizing the development of another building. The Gullwing has been evaluated at over $1 million. Concerning inside patina, the 300 SLS seats have been redone decades back with the first discretionary calf skin, purportedly now impractical. They are not torn, but rather the dark shading has everything except vanished. While dark calf skin is the thing that this auto should have, any 300 SL restorer now has the opportunity to redo their checkered stock fabric seats with rectify material from the first provider. Mercedes-Benz Classic is bringing back the 3 diverse material alternatives, the blue dark, the red green and the green beige gabardine fabric, and they all will be accessible to be requested from any Mercedes-Benz merchant. Most 300 SLS have the blue dim material seats, and calf skin used to be a choice costing 600 Deutschmarks.